Hello, we hope you will enjoy this video. If you do, please remember to subscribe for free, like, ring the bell and comment. More details about these at the end. Gingerbread Men. Baking is fun. Bubbles loves baking. He was wondering the other day just what he wanted to make and whether he could persuade some of the other teddy bears to help him. He decided he would like to make gingerbread men biscuits, and when he asked the others if they wanted to join in and perhaps eat the end results, everybody decided it was a great idea. They all busied themselves finding a recipe and weighing out all the ingredients. Then they mixed everything up in a big bowl until they had some gingerbread dough. This then needed to be rolled out, and a gingerbread man cutter was used to cut out lots and lots of gingerbread men. They were baked on trays in the oven. Jane helped with this part of the process because ovens are very hot and little bears don't want to get their paws burned. After a few minutes in the oven, the gingerbread men were cooked. Jane took them out and placed them on a wire rack to cool down. All this waiting wasn't very good for the impatient bears. But when the gingerbread men were cool enough to pick up, Bubbles said that they weren't yet ready to be eaten. "But why not?" asked Tommy, who really likes gingerbread. "They look a bit bare," replied Bubbles. "I think they need some sort of decoration." Tommy sighed because he didn't really want to wait very much longer to tuck into a gingerbread man. But when he found out that Bubbles was going to mix up some coloured icing and pipe it onto the gingerbread men to look like eyes and buttons, he decided that he could perhaps, just this once, wait a little bit longer. Bubbles carefully mixed up 3 small bowls of icing sugar and water and then added a little bit of different food colouring to each. So he ended up with some red, some yellow and some blue. He carefully piped the icing onto the gingerbread men, trying to be as neat as possible. When he had finished, he invited the other bears to try them. "Yum, yum," they all said. "What lovely gingerbread men." And it didn't take very long for quite a few of the biscuits to disappear. The recipe Bubbles used can be found by clicking here. Try it out yourselves and see what yours tastes like. Happy baking! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for free and our videos will appear on your YouTube homepage, making them easier for you to find. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button. Ringing the bell means you'll be notified about our new videos. Please also leave a comment. Comments and ideas help us to improve.